Hello everyone, my name is Li Tingni from N4T20. In this video, I am going to explain about kingdom fungi. First, we need to know the classification of fungi phyla, which are phylum Zycomycota, phylum Ascomycota, phylum Basidiomycota. For the characteristic of length of sexual spore and spore-bearing structure, phylum Zycomycota, sexual spore is zygospore produced by zygospore region. For phylum Ascomycota, sexual spore is ascospores produced by ascus. For phylum Basidiomycota, sexual spore is basidiospore produced by basidium. For the name of asexual spore, for phylum Zycomycota is sporangiospore. For phylum Ascomycota is conidia. For phylum Basidiomycota, asexual spore is less common. Rarely occur if present is conidia. Next, type of hyphae. For phylum Zycomycota is coenocritic or acetate. For phylum Ascomycota and phylum Basidiomycota, the type of hyphae is septate, and the example of phylum Zycomycota is Rhizopus species. For phylum Ascomycota is Penicillium species. For phylum Basidiomycota is Agaricus species. Next, we need to know the unique characteristic of fungi. Eukaryotic do not contain chlorophyll, non-photosynthetic, adoptive heterotrophs, extracellular digestion, store food energy as glycogen. Most are saprophilic, live on other dead organisms, heterotrophic, parasitic, saprophytic, mutualist, important decomposers and recyclers of nutrients in the environment. Most are multicellular, but some unicellular like yeast. And this one is the structure. Here is plasma membrane, keratin, manoprotein, glucan, and major constituents of fungal cell wall are keratin, glucans, and glycoproteins. Keratin is a structurally important component of the fungal cell. For structural organization, basic building units called hyphae form interwoven mat called mycelium, not divided into true cells, closed walls or septa, singular septum, divide into compartments, septae, hyphae without septa, non-septae. And these are the pictures you can refer to. Reproduction in fungi. Reproduce both asexually and sexually. Most fungi are haploid throughout their life cycle. This one. Sexual reproduction occurs when hyphae of different mating types, positive and negative, meet and fuse together. Next, we need to know about phylum Zygomycota. Spore-bearing structure, zygosporangium. Zygosporangium contains zygospores formed by sexual reproduction, and this is one of the examples of Rhizopus species. The second one is phylum Ascomycota. Fruiting body ascocarps. Ascocarps contain the spore-forming asci. Spore-bearing structure asci, singular ascus. Ascus contain ascospores, the important genus of phylum Ascomycota, found in the natural environment. And this is the example of Penicillium species. And the third one is phylum Basidiomycota, a large and diverse phylum of fungi and most advanced fungi. For example, Agaricus species, mushrooms. Filamentous fungi composed of hyphae. Most species reproduce sexually with a grass-shaped spore-bearing organ called basidium that usually produces 4 sexual spores, basidiospores. Basidia are borne on fruiting bodies, basidiocarps, which are large and conspicuous. So this is the process of reproduction. Then we need to know the importance of fungi. There are 5 importance of fungi, which are H as decomposers, symbionts, pathogen, commercial importance in food production, pharmaceutical. So H as decomposers, saprophytic fungi feed on dead and decaying organisms. For example, Penicillium species helps to recycle nutrients. For example, phosphates, ammonia, and sulfates. Next, symbionts. Algae photosynthesize and provides organic food. Fungus receives food in exchange for housing, water, and minerals, commonly encrusted on rocks and tree trunks. And the example is lichens, which are fungi plus algae. Next, pathogen. Some of fungal species are parasites, mostly of plants, cause huge economic effects. Then, commercial importance in food production. Fermented food, for example, yeast, produce alcoholic beverages and rise out bread dough. The last one, pharmaceutical. Penicillin, used as antibiotics, processed from Penicillium species that kills or stops the growth of certain kinds of bacteria inside the body. This is my references. In the end of the video, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my lecturer, Madam Nozi Azwin binti Mak. Thanks for watching.